Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. This cute mug cozy comes with a spoon holder, a button, and a bottom so that your mug stays in place. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along. It has a mystery effect to it because you don't know which pattern will be published each day. There will be 24 free crochet patterns out of 30. You can get the entire 30 crochet patterns in an ebook. It's all last-minute gift ideas. If you would like to get the ebook, check the link down below in the description or my website. The entire event is sponsored by Lion Brand. So let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to crochet the mug cozy, I'm going to use Lion Brand's Vanna's Choice yarn, which is acrylic in the color Granberry. I'm also using a G+ hook and one button of your choice. Start with a magic ring and chain 1. Now add 7 single crochets to the ring. Now close the ring. You can use your yarn end as a stitch marker or use a separate stitch marker. Now we're going in continuous rounds, crocheting 2 single crochets per stitch for that entire round. Now move up your stitch marker, and in the following round crochet 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochets. Now repeat that all the way until the end of the round. In the next round, move up your stitch marker and crochet 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and in the following stitch 2 single crochets, so an increase. Now repeat that all the way until the end of the round. Move up your stitch marker, and in the following round you're going to crochet 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then crochet 1 increase after that. Now continue this pattern all the way around. Once you're done, you need to take your stitch marker out, and we are crocheting from now on in non-continuous rounds. You're going to take our yarn off the loop and pull it through from the front to the back in the next stitch, so that's an invisible slip stitch. And now you're going to crochet 1 round in just the back loop only. That way we have a nice little edge on the bottom of our mug cozy. Connect the last and the first stitch together. Again, I'm using the invisible slip stitch. Now we're going to turn our work around, and you're now going to crochet on the other side 1 single crochet per stitch, but going through both loops at the same time. At the end of the round, again, slip stitch with the invisible slip stitch and turn your work. And you're now going to crochet again 1 more round exactly the same way. So 1 single crochet per stitch all the way around. Slip stitch to the first stitch 1 more time and turn your work. You're now going to crochet in rows. That means starting from here 1 single crochet per stitch, but at the end here you're going to skip 1 stitch and then you turn. So 1 single crochet per stitch until you have 1 stitch left, then you turn. You're going to continue that until you have 12 rows in total. So as you can see, there is 1 stitch down here left, and you're just doing this in rows. At the very end, make a chain of about 20, depending on how big your mug is, and add a button on the other side. So now you can put your mug in here and simply put your loop over around your button, and it holds on your mug cozy. In case you want to change this for other different sizes, still make sure that you always have a little bit of a gap here, because you want to be able to put your mouth on here and not touch your crochet. I like to add a little band here on the side, which we're going to do now. That is optional, but it allows you to put your spoon in as you're drinking your tea or beverage or whatever you're drinking. For the little band on the side, you're going to chain 4, then 1 single crochet per stitch starting from the second chain from the hook. So you're going to have 3 stitches per row. Now you're going to crochet a few rows. That depends on how many you want to do. and how big your band needs to be. So I'm making a smaller piece. So I'm just going to do a few rows. So I made mine 5 rows, and now I'm taking my yarn out so I can sew it on. To sew it on, I would recommend that you have your mug inside so you can kind of see where you're going to have it. So I'm going to have it here on the opposite side of where my handle is. So just about here. And so that means I'm going to sew it on the left and right side right here. But of course, I'm going to take out my mug as I'm sewing that on. And now you're ready. You have a few different choices to get this pattern in a written format. Number 1 is my website. It does have ads, but you can view the pattern for free. Number 2 is you can get it as a PDF through Ravelry or Etsy. It's ad-free and printer-friendly. Number 3 is my membership, and you're not only going to get this pattern ad-free and printer-friendly, but you also get all my other patterns in a vault, easy to access, printer-friendly, and ad-free. And number 4 is the ebook that includes all 30 last-minute gift idea patterns. All 30 come with videos. And the entire ebook is a PDF. It's easy to print out and it's ad-free. In fact, it even includes the feature that you can click in a table of content and jump right to the pattern. So 4 different options for you to get this pattern in a written format. Which one will you choose? Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.